Hi, I'm Kevin Tierney, President of AWMAC British Columbia Chapter. Welcome to the AWMAC BC channel. The vision of the Architectural Woodwork Manufacturers Association of Canada, BC Chapter, is to educate and build relationships with our stakeholders and provide quality assurance to British Columbia's architectural woodwork industry by leveraging the current edition of the AWMAC Standards Manual. Purpose is to give owners, design professionals, and general contractors a clear understanding of what they can and should expect from shop drawings to final installation when AWMAC standards are specified on their projects. Other services available from AWMAC BC are the Guarantee and Inspection Service, which is a third-party verification to ensure the submittal documents, sample unit, woodwork and installation meet AWMAC standards. A 2-year AWMAC guarantee is issued if the woodworker is an AWMAC manufacturer member. Pre-tender review, an inspection of your pre-tender specifications to ensure they meet AWMAC standards at no charge if the GIS is specified on the project. Lunch and Learns, a 1-hour session on the essential components of a successful architectural woodwork project. The presentation carries one AIBC Core Learning Unit or one IDCEC credit unit. Technical questions. Do you have a question about architectural woodwork? Give us a call at AWMAC BC and we will get the answer for you. Expert opinions. When the GIS is not specified and you need a qualified individual to determine if the woodwork meets or exceeds the project specifications, an AWMAC BC expert opinion is a fee-for-service engagement that will result in a report detailing the findings from a thorough inspection. AWMAC BC will continue to add educational videos to our channel to help with your architectural woodwork projects. Watch for additional content as we work our way through the sections of the AWMAC Standards Manual.
If you have questions about this video or technical questions about architectural woodwork, please feel free to reach out to the AWMAC BC office. Subscribe to the AWMAC BC channel and watch for new content.